Hey.
So, the only way to get my daughter, who's an 11-year-old, to go on a water slide at Great Wolf Lodge was to make a deal that I would try this Healthy Choice pumpkin something that we accidentally bought.
Squash. It was in the freezer.
It's been in our freezer for about 5 months because
it has apples in it.
No one wants to eat it.
Oh, peas.
It's pumpkin-filled ravioli, green bean, apple, and butternut squash in a butter sage sauce. So she did go on the water slides. In fact, we couldn't keep her off. But my end of the deal was I would eat this and videotape myself doing so.
Here's your fork.
So.
Ew, show it.
I need to stir it. She cooked it.
Thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs down if you don't. Comment if you think it looks good to you. Just take a bite.
This is what it looks like. Creamy.
Stop. Just eat it. Don't describe it. Just take a bite. Take a bite.
And I don't like pumpkin.
Yeah, she won't even eat pumpkin pie. Just take a bite. It's good. Is it good? It's not. Is it good or bad? What is it? What does it taste like?
Thankfully, I haven't gotten to the pumpkin yet.
Oh! Does it taste like? Tastes like anything?
It's sweet.
Ew. You don't have to eat it all. Yeah, you do.
Try.
No, I'm not trying. Daddy's gonna try it. It's good. Is it good, Dad?
That's weird.
That's not right.
Somebody stuffed pumpkin pie inside the ravioli.
Ew! Don't describe it like.
It's whipped cream.
Ew! Ice cream.
This is really bad. Alright. I tried it. I would not recommend you buy it. But it is at Target for $2.50.
Eat another bite. Try the carrots.